In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily play Brawl Stars on your PC. First, open any web browser. For this video, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, search for Brawl Stars Desktop. After that, click on the first result, which should be from LD Player. LD Player is an emulator that lets you play Brawl Stars on your PC. When the page opens, click the button that says Play Online for free. You also have the option to download it to your PC, but in this video, I'm going to use the online version. After clicking Play Online for free, you'll be able to play directly in your browser. You can either start with a 30-minute free trial, or you can log in and create an account. With an account, you can play Brawl Stars on your PC for up to 6 hours a day. For this video, let's go ahead and start the 30-minute trial. It will begin loading, and once it finishes, you'll see Brawl Stars ready to play on your screen. Now you can jump in and start playing. Have fun! If you want to play longer, you'll need to create an account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.